Okay, hand me the feed. Quick, 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 quick. Can you hold the livestock as well?
Yep.
Okay, if you've got those, come on piggies. Come on piggies. Come on piggies. Come on piggies. Okay, Brandy, just push on the gate and hold it steady. Okay, chain latch. Gloves off. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. And that's what we call stress-free animal handling. The pigs auto-loaded just about as fast as we could open the gates, open the trailer and get them in there. No stress. Adrenal glands didn't open. They're getting breakfast. They're fine. We're ready to head up and load out and head down to the butcher. So now what we're doing, as mentioned, we've actually got 4 pigs in here, and we need to get one of them back out because she got mixed in with these other guys and she's not going to the butcher today. Today's not her day. So we're just going to show you how we use the sliding doors on the livestock trailer to separate pigs. We've got a sliding door here, and then we've got a gate in the middle of the trailer that's also got another sliding gate, which is a really nice feature to have if you can find one in a trailer because it helps you sort animals internally. It basically gives us 3 compartments. We've got 2 compartments in the trailer. We've got our 12 by 12 area here, and it just makes handling pigs so much easier. So what I'm going to do is open the slider. I'm going to hop in. My wife's going to use the herding board here to block off the back. Once we get the 1 pig up here that we want out, Brandy will let her out. We'll close the rest of them in and we'll put her back where she belongs. Okay, sweetie, she's right here, this red one. Get it out of the way. Come on, babe. Come on. Come on, go back over here. We'll get you some food. Come on. There we go. There we go. So again, I mean, if you've got a big group of pigs and you don't need to take them all, my suggestion is if you've got space, you load them all into the livestock trailer at one time, and then you just sort out the ones that you don't want to haul to the butcher that day. If you're not sure which ones are the biggest, this gives you a really great opportunity to be in there with them, to look right down on them, see how wide they are, see how fat they are, and decide which one's going to go and which ones are going to stay behind. But that's our low stress, easy pig loading. Yeah.